Hello students, this is Dr. Anubhuti Kusle, Associate Professor from Rawatpura Sarkari University. Today we discuss gaseous fuel. It is a second part for our lecture, fuel and combustion. The fuel which is formed in gaseous form in nature, that is known as gaseous fuel. It is classified into two forms, artificial fuels and natural fuels. Today we discuss in this session natural gas, biofuels, biodiesel, water gas, producer gas and carbon gas. So first is natural gas. It is found in nature under a long crust of earth. It is a mixture of hydrocarbons, 80 to 95% methane and 5 to 25% ethane and others hydrocarbons. Its calorific value is 12,000 to 14,000 kilocalorie and it is used in domestic fuel. Its example is CNG. It is also known as compressed natural gas. It is a natural gas compressed under high pressure. It is largely used as alternative fuels and motor vehicles. Next is LNG, liquefied natural gas. It is liquefied nature by refining gas at temperature is minus 260 degree Fahrenheit. Uses as CNG, so is good for large trucks that needs to go long distance. Next is LPG. It is also known as liquefied petroleum gas. It is a mixture of hydrocarbons like propane 80 to 90% and ethane is 20 to 5% and other hydrocarbons. Its calorific value is 27,800 kilocalorie per meter cube. It used as domestic and industrial fuel. Next is biofuel. When animal dung converted into biogas, which is a clean fuel, it is a mixture of hydrocarbons, little amount of hydrogen and small amount of hydrogen sulfide. It is also known as gobar. What is the process? First we take a cow dung and water, ratio is 1:1, put it on the plant. Gobar gas is produced by anaerobic bacterial. So when in this area there is decomposition of mixture which is done to the pipe, the residue left in rich nutrients which can be used as a manure. Its calorific value is 1200 kilocalorie per meter. It is also used domestic fuels like cooking and lighting. Biogas can also generate from animals and plants wastage. Next is biodiesel. Biodiesel refers to a vegetable oil, animal oil, fats based diesel fuel containing of long chain like alkyl. Example is methyl alkyl and propyl ester. It is typically made by chemically reacting liquids with an alcohol producing fatty acids and esters. It is a renewable sources, clean burning diesel replacement, that is a reduction dependence. So it is very important. It is very eco-friendly for our environment. Next is water gas. It is mainly comprised of carbon monoxide and hydrogen and it is produced by passing alternative steam and little air through a bed of red hot coke maintained at about 900 to 1000 degrees centigrade. First we take a steam in a red box, that is known as hot cake. Temperature is 900 to 1000 degrees centigrade and to produce carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The reaction is carbon plus hydrogen. Reactor is carbon monoxide plus H2 and minus 29 kilocalorie. The minus sign indicates the endothermic of the reactions. And next reaction is carbon plus oxygen reacts with carbon dioxide plus 97 kilocalorie. That is plus sign indicates the exothermic reactions. What is the exothermic reaction? When the energy evolves, that is known as exothermic reaction. Its composition is hydrogen 50%, carbon monoxide 40%, nitrogen and carbon dioxide 5%. Its calorific value is 2800 kilocalorie per meter cube. It is widely used in industrial fuels. producer gas. It is main a mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. It is produced by passing air over which hot coke bed maintaining about the temperature is 1000 to 1400 degrees centigrade. It is also two type reaction is exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. So carbon dioxide formed by reduction of carbon monoxide by heated coke. When carbon dioxide reacts with carbon, it converted into carbon monoxide 2 mole of carbon monoxide and minus 39 kilocalorie. This reaction will be endothermic reactions. This reaction is endothermic reaction and temperature will also maintain in this reaction is 1000 to 1400 degrees centigrade. Composition is nitrogen 50%, carbon monoxide 30%, hydrogen 4% and rest percentage will be carbon dioxide and methane. Its calorific value is 1300 kilocalorie gram per meter cube and it is used for blast furnace, steel metallurgy furnace and heat furnace. Next is coal gas. It is obtained by destructive distillation of coal. Destructive distillation is a process by which the substance is heated strongly in the absence of air, so they can be separated volatile and non-volatile content. Coal react with coal gas, it is converted to coke, it is reduced. So the temperature in this reaction is 1200 degree centigrade. Its composition is hydrogen 50%, methane 30%, carbon monoxide 8%. So its calorific value is 4900. It is used for domestic and industrial fuel. Thank you.